AliDropship review. Is this a legit way to make money online? AliDropship, the dropshipping plugin that promises passive income with zero monthly fees. But is it legit or just another e-commerce hype train? Let's break it down. AliDropship is a WordPress plugin that turns your site into a fully automated dropshipping store, sourcing products straight from AliExpress. You can also buy custom built stores, ready made stores, or even established stores that are already generating sales. So here's what it automates: product imports, inventory and price syncing, order fulfillment, and marketing integrations like Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics. Unlike Shopify or other platforms, AliDropship is a one-time purchase. You pay once and the plugin is yours forever. That's a big win for budget-conscious entrepreneurs. And here's what users love about it: beginner-friendly setup, full automation, customizable product pages, responsive support, and no recurring fees. But it's not perfect. Bulk imports may need cleanup. You'll still need to learn e-commerce basics, and shipping times and product quality depend on AliExpress suppliers. Can you make money with it? Yes, but only if you treat it like a real business. Success depends on picking the right niche, running smart ads, vetting suppliers, and building a brand and offering great customer service. So who is it best for? AliDropship works best for creators, educators, and entrepreneurs who want full control over their store without monthly fees or platform lock-in. AliDropship is legit. It's not a magic money machine, but it's a powerful tool if you're willing to learn, test, and build. For serious side hustlers and educators, it's a smart way to start.